Welcome, new and returning Harvard Extension School students. I am Suzanne Spreadbury, Dean of Academic Programs, and I'm so excited about our upcoming academic year. In the fall, January, and spring terms, we are offering 1,000 courses in over 50 subjects. We have multiple online and on-campus formats, including online courses with weekends here at Harvard University, live web conference courses for that real-time engagement, and online-only courses. Whether you're pursuing a degree or a certificate or taking a single course, I am confident that you will find a range of choices to support your academic scholarship, career advancement, and civic engagement. Now let me help you navigate our online course search. It is a treasure hunt of sorts to find that perfect course or two that will meet your current learning goals. This is our course search and registration platform. This is where you'll do all of your searching and you'll register for courses, and you also can pay for them right here at this link. Now, I know that most of you are interested in a degree or certificate, or you're pursuing one now. Let me guide you. First, you want to pick a term. I like to choose the whole academic year so I can see everything that's being offered. I'm going to have you scroll down and go to this black box. Harvard Extension School Degree and Certificate and Pre-Medical Course Search. This is where you want to go. You're going to click that and all your options pop up. So you've got undergraduate degrees, graduate degrees. Say you're interested in one of our graduate degrees. Then you click up here and all the fields of study that we offer appear. And you can choose one. Let's choose anthropology and archaeology. And then you click Explore Program. Now, here's the admissions courses that are required, and here are all the degree requirements. Just click one. Here are all your options. Now, you find something that's really intriguing. Click on that. Course description appears, the format, the instructor. You scroll down. You can even see where the syllabus will be posted. Everything that you could possibly want to know about the course is all here. Now, some of you are just interested in taking a course with us. I haven't forgotten about you. I want you to scroll down and choose the advanced search. Here, you can choose one of those 50 subjects I talked about. We have biotechnology, chemistry. Choose one. Let's choose anthropology again. And then search courses, and here they all are. You can choose a course, and you can do the same thing. Get the description. So, easy, right? Well, I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you can find something that's really going to grab you and meet your learning goals. So, happy treasure hunting.